Welcome everyone to Piedmont Triad International Airport in Greensboro, North Carolina. May K. Beeler here with Carolina Aircraft with a gorgeous airplane to tell you about today. She's a 1985 A36. She has the wow factor. Wait till you see the flight deck. Brand new avionics under warranty, all the bells and whistles. Also low time engine, factory air conditioning, de-ice boots, so much to tell you about. Let's get started. So let's talk about your low time engine. Teledyne Continental IO550 300 horsepower engine, GAMI fuel injectors, new Millennium cylinders, only $275 on the engine since major overhaul. And check out your hot prop, only $680 on the prop since prop overhaul. As you can see, this A36 is very well equipped. We have de-ice boots on board. When it comes to fuel, we carry 114 gallons of usable fuel, and check this out. Yep, we've got Osborne tip tanks, 20 aside. So let's talk about the exterior. Overall tan with blue and burgundy stripes in very good condition. 4,575 hours total time on the airframe since new. So let's check out the large double cargo doors we love about the A36. So easy to load our passengers and our stuff. Now you know the seating configuration, it's versatile. Everyone can sit forward, they can face each other, we can move the seats around. And if I want to remove a seat for any reason, I don't need any tools. All I need to do is pick up on a bar, pull a pin, we're good to go. So come on in, let's check out the interior together. Lovely tan leather seats, tan carpet in great condition. Check out the beautiful sidewalls, the headliners in perfect condition, retractable window shades, a lovely executive writing desk. We have an intercom system for everybody on board, plus shoulder harnesses, factory air conditioning, the lap of luxury. The flight deck on this A36 is exceptional. Garmin avionics package, brand new in April 2022 and under warranty. You'll enjoy a Garmin G510 TXI primary flight display with safe taxi, flight charts, FISB, traffic AHARS, and more. The co-pilot has a primary flight display, G500 TXI with a separate AHARS. We have a Garmin 750, GPS Navcom, a Garmin 650 GPS Navcom. Your transponder is a GTX 345 with ADS-B in and out, XM weather displayed on the 500 and 750, Stormscope on the 500. Autopilot is a King KFC Autopilot with altitude Preselect and vertical speed select on the 500. Other features you will appreciate: factory air conditioning, de-ice boots, hot prop, co-pilot brakes, GAMI fuel injectors, engine preheater system, Osborne tip tanks, Garmin backup ADI AHARS, panel-mounted USB charging points, new Rosen sun visors, shoulder harnesses on all 6 seats. The aircraft is eligible for gross weight increase, standby pressure pump for de-ice boots, and more. So this beautiful 1985 A36 is looking for a new home. So many upgrades. Oh my goodness, the flight deck. Brand new Garmin avionics suite, new this year in 2022 and still under warranty. Low time engine, only $275 since factory reman. Beautiful interior, nice paint, factory air conditioning, de-ice boots, lots to love. You need to know Bonanza School. It's included in the price of the aircraft. We want you to be safe and comfortable in your new to you A36. So come see us. We're at Piedmont Triad International Airport. We are Carolina Aircraft. I'm May K. Beeler. Would love to meet you. Thanks so much for watching.